Mommy dear, with love so true, I am grateful for all that you do. With gentle hand and caring eyes, you paint my world with endless skies. Your strength, your warmth, they light my way, making brighter each and every day. In every story, every rhyme, you are here for me throughout all time. Your patience, Mom, it knows no end. You are not just my mom, you are my best friend. With every meal you cook with care, your love for us, it's everywhere. In every dish, a piece of heart, you show your love in every part. On Mother's Day, I want to say, you are cherished more than words can say. For all you do, for all you are my guiding light, my shining star. So here's to you, Mom, with love so true. In every moment, I cherish you. Happy Mother's Day with all my heart. You're the best mom, right from the start. Please subscribe for more.